Hello. Welcome everybody to a Tuesday, October 27th stream for Gift. Gonna do some live trading and analysis. I'm gonna trade right now. Explain why. We'll see what happened yesterday. Give a more macro analysis on gold and the market in general. Sorry, I turned the music down. Kind of came out of nowhere there. But yeah, let's get this thing started. Sorry about the non-gold analysis over the weekend and the no simulations. We actually put up our podcast, first episode. It's actually pretty exciting. Let me pull it up here. If you go to our website, go under media, and go under podcast, you can see the podcast here, episode 1. Anyone wants to check it out there. But yeah, other than that, sorry, let me open up. I gotta open up the screen real quick. There we go. Live screen. Perfect. All right, so let's get started here. What happened yesterday on gold? Okay, let's go from month down. So monthly. Monthly, you had a September down month. October indecision, pre-election, end of the month coming up too. This is interesting though. This is what I'm liking. Yeah, this big down move right here. Grab liquidity. Found a support. In theory, this week should push up higher to test this resistance and potentially push up further depending on the news that comes out over the next week or two. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Okay, so we got the weekly there, we got the daily. Let's break it down on the daily. Daily, you see this kind of support being formed here. Said I was gonna redraw the levels, and I still gotta do that, so I'm gonna do that. Maybe on stream, or maybe I'll have like a gold analysis following or later on today. We'll see. But other than that, we see gold's kind of on an uptrend here. Mini found a support, so it pushed up, found a support. So what I'm anticipating is this candlestick to actually push up, and then tomorrow to push up further than that. So we'll see how that one goes. I did enter a long. My stop is at 1900 right now. I'm in a long at 1902.50. So my position right now is along at 1902.50. Move my stop to actually 1899. Oh, whoops. $1902.5. Perfect. And then stop loss 1899. Take profit. To be honest, I might even hold this for most of the day. I wanted to go long during the Asian session, never got in. And then before I went to bed, I almost went long. But thank God I didn't, because it did have that fake out during London session and then pushed all the way down. But that's pretty interesting what's happening here. I feel like any break above 1910 is going to be a pretty nice buy towards like 1920s, 1930s area based off the higher time frame. So we'll keep an eye out for that. I'm in a long right now. And I like to use a comparable. I like to compare it to the dollar index. Last week was a red candlestick, and then this week kind of grabbed liquidity yesterday and pushing down. So we'll see how that goes. That plus the US stock market. If I pull up the US 30 real quick here. Index. Where it is. US 30, yeah, there it is. So if I pull up the US 30 here, we can see on the daily yesterday there was a huge down move. Usually when there's a down move in the market, gold usually pops up and prompts up. So we'll see how that goes. I am anticipating a bullish run up. So we'll wait and see for that. A lot of news over the weekend too. Yeah. Husky Synovus deal. Synovus buying out Husky. Borat came out. That was a great movie too. That was discussed on our podcast. Yeah, quite a bit of stuff happened over the weekend. Not gonna lie though, I'm kind of tired, but I'll wake up as the day goes on. So with the 5 o'clock hour close, actually, you had this liquidity grab at 3 o'clock and at 4 o'clock. Kind of found the support. Before I went to sleep, I was watching Monty stream for a bit, and Monty did say that gold sometimes does this move down before having to push up. So I think this is pretty good in general. You had this move down, you had this bullish candlestick. I'm anticipating a further continuation of a bullish move. So I guess gotta wait and see for that. It's gonna be a patience play. I'm bullish on gold. Like I thought that was gonna break down lower last week and the week before, but doesn't seem to. Every time it has moved down, it pushes up pretty hard. Move down, pushes up hard. Move down, pushes up hard. There's no real trend or direction per se, but there are moves intraday for sure. So we'll wait and see how it turns out. Oh man. Oh man, it's seeming like slow 6 o'clock pre New York Open. I think it'll pick up when the volume comes in. There it comes. Nice little wick down, push up. I do expect that down move during London session to be corrected and then potentially push further on upwards. But obviously, we gotta wait and see for that. Yeah, there's nothing really going on. Might as well scroll through pairs. Euro. I am bullish on Euro too, so I think I'm bearish US dollar after the last few weeks. Is gonna go bullish. Seems like it's gonna go bearish just because of these moves that are happening. Euro bullish week last week, the liquidity wick downwards, and then a push up. Yeah, even on the daily, you can see this move up, move down. Now you have this tight range, and I feel like it's gonna break out of that range this week. This week or next week? I mean, the elections are next week. That'll be an interesting time. Who knows what will happen? I feel like Biden's gonna win, but like, don't be surprised if Trump wins. just for the fact that Middle America is a big vote, and it's not a majority vote wins government. It's first past the post. Like Hillary won majority vote last election, but Trump won because he had more seats, more electoral seats. That's how it is in the U.S. So it'll be interesting to watch that, see how that plays out. Read some news. Joe Biden seems to forget who he's running against. We need to stop 4 more years of George. No way. Joe Biden virtually top all guns. 4 more years of George. No way.
Never asked you. You've been married to Joe for 42, 43 years now. What made you fall in love with him? We've talked policy, we've talked education, but we've never talked about this. What is it that made you fall in love with Joe Biden?
You know, when I met Joe,
Waiting to hear.
when I met Joe, it was the 70s. So you might not remember this, Anna, but it was long hair, bell bottoms, tie-dye shirts. And
Nation.
African American men.
Just
I can also say that I know you're going to be good to the Latino community.
God's going to determine the future for a long time, not just.
Rod Stewart's, if you.
I don't blame.
Jim, $1, $2. The other day.
I want to see that video. Joe Biden calling Trump George. That's funny. Yeah, this is a slow day too. I guess we can surf the internet for a little bit, see what's going on there. Also, I'm really wary of the short side too. I was looking at this yesterday. We kind of have this nice support at like 1895 level. Starts breaking 1898, 1895. That's gonna be a nice short down to like 1860s or so.
Four more years of Georgia, he going to find ourselves in a position where if Trump gets elected,
The second wave is hitting hard for coronavirus. It's gonna be interesting how that plays out. I think they're gonna have to do another lockdown. They can't afford it, but the government can print money out its ass. You're gonna have to do another lockdown unless a vaccine comes in. Markets are gonna tank, I'll tell you that much. I don't know that's gonna happen for sure. Active cases, holy shit. Fucking 800 increase from Thursday to Sunday. Wow. Interesting. Yeah, we can see it breaking out now. It was pretty good. Oh, you just chill for a bit. I really want to try holding positions longer. Like, yeah, 40 pips are nice. That's where I got my core out. I still will, but I need to get better at holding my positions longer. It's when the true money makers are. Those ones where you can actually sit back and hold it for the day. Let's see if Chan's on. $50-minute pushed up, pushed all the way down. I don't know what's up with these movements. I like those days when it was just like pure, clean movements, you know? It's nice, easy trending type days. No worries, no nothing. Just hold it and chill. But now, with these weird moves, big move up, big move down again. Yeah, I'll show you what the 15 looks like. It's on my Black Bull terminal. That's what I mean. Big move up, big move down. I don't really get it, but fuck it. Don't want to understand it. I should check for news though. That's probably pretty important. News, durable good orders at 6:30, and that is it. I just want to see this go fucking 1920s or something. Yeah, sorry for the boring stream today. It's kind of tired, but fuck it. Let's get the shit on the roll, man. Oh, 5 minute look. I mean, it still looks good. I'm not complaining. As long as it's printing green, then the trade is gonna be good. So that's the thing. We just want to see continuous green candlesticks. Oh, it's going red. Slow ass morning. Guess we gotta wait for New York to open. Maybe I'll bring in some volume. I had it like yesterday when New York opened. Holy shit, that's disgusting. Wow, what the hell? It's actually filthy what happened yesterday. That is what it is. Let's keep it on 30. Oh yeah, I gotta add the tags on SoundCloud. I'll do that a little bit later. Or I might as well do it now. Doing much anyways. Yeah, if you want to check out our SoundCloud, I'll show you guys the page. Gonna have podcasts. Already have 3 plays, not bad. Some random person liked our post. That's sick. Yeah, wow, that's sick. Difference. Ooh, pushing down a bit, eh? Interesting. Podcast. So here it is. The information for the podcast. You can go finance, trading, investing, gold, silver, euro, bunch of random stuff for the tags in the description. Podcast on everything and anything from finance, trading to world events and any general matter we want to talk about on a weekly basis. It's basically the description we have on the website too. So I'm just gonna save those changes. And then I wonder if it saves here. Playlist type, genre, business. Oh, I gotta. Oh wow, we actually have to do that tags every time. That's pretty whack. But I've cut down the tags a bit. Sorry, I'm gonna have to leave this up for a second. use all those tags, and basically redo it. What? Not wave. All right, perfect. Yeah, the podcast is up. Playlist has all the episodes. I'm pretty sure every time we add an episode, we can add it to the playlist and then it's uploaded on there. And we go from there. Wow, this thing is dropping down. I actually move my stop below here. Give it that extra bit of room to move. I do believe it's gonna go up, so I do have higher. Listen, I think that was just news that just happened, right? Yeah, it was just news. I have more bullish bias on gold just because of what's happening with the markets and everything. I do feel like it'll pop up. So I think we'll wait, we'll hold on to it, and we'll see how it goes. And it pushed back up. I knew that was just news movement, grabbing liquidity. It's moving pretty slow. Oh, we got some volume now. Picking up a little bit. New 5-minute opened up. Yeah, I guess we'll wait and see how it turns out. I'm kind of anticipating this 5 o'clock candlestick being the start and continuation of the 6 o'clock bullish move too. Just like how weekly and the daily time frames forming, I do feel like you're gonna get a bullish move up.
Olives had a major run. Maraschino cherries, major run. No one had a run like limes. No one.
There's that push up I was waiting for. Yep, pushing up, pushing up. We'll be right back. I'll grab more tea. Oh wow, flip green. That's pretty sick. I'll be right back. Oh man, let's look at the 15. Wow, that's ugly. Okay. Wow. Not bad. Not bad. 1903.5. 30 minutes looking pretty good. Yeah, I guess it's just a waiting game now. Wait for the New York market to open. Wait for the 6 o'clock hour to close. And then go from there. Anything above 1905, I feel like it's pretty safe. 40 pips. Let's put my 40 pip mark here. Yeah, right there. 40 pips. 40 pips. And then holding a runner. $40 pips for core, holding a runner. Okay, should I go on the hour? Yeah. I'm gonna go like this. So we have an support created with a bullish candle. And now we're kind of anticipating that to be corrected. Whoa, wrong one. Where'd arrow go? Oh, there it is. Okay, so support was being created on higher time frames and consolidating for a while. Price had a nice push up after the liquidity grab start this week. We can see continued bullish momentum for gold as a safe haven. Oops. With market fear causing a sell-off in the stock market. We saw that sell-off yesterday. That's why I am long today. Price retraced and created a support during a London session / early NY session. Entered as the 5 o'clock a.m. candle was forming an anticipation of a move to correct the sell. London session. There we go. Of a continuation. There we go. And then the last text box right here. Potential for price action to correct the sell from London session and continue higher with NT 40 pips and we'll hold a runner. There we go. That's basically it for the trade. Nothing too fancy. Basically the same thing. Day in, day out. Draw it up, line it up. Oh, I wonder if this is gonna finish pretty bullish or what's the deal here. I get the split screen rolling when Chan comes on, whenever he comes on, if he comes on. We're gonna end the stream in like 30 minutes to an hour, right when the New York market opens. Pretty tired today, but at least I was on. Nice morning routine, took the dog out. Went for a walk, run. Oh, wow, damn. Throwbacks, I just seen your messages. How you doing, man? Long time no see. Hope having. Yeah, I didn't trade yesterday. I traded today, but real life drama in your life. Damn, man, is everything all good? You all right over there, man? Hope everything's all good there, throwbacks. Real life drama is always the worst. Always experience that stuff. Thanks for the like too. Saw that. Man, we missed you on stream. It was nice for you to tune in and talk about everything, anything. So, but yeah, I hope everything's all good, man. 3 concurrent viewers. Oh no, back to 2. Yeah, this move's gonna correct the London sell-off. That London sell-off was just a faker. I remember that Monty was saying that with gold you can see a deep pullback like that, and I guess you got that exact deep pullback that happens during London session. This is where experience comes in. Monty knew that usually happens. It's rare that you see a continuation like that in gold. It does happen too, but you're saying anytime it breaks that support, you can see a little retracement or pullback for the continuation. Yeah, I was gonna close pretty nice. Exactly what I was looking for. Okay, 1 more minute till close. Closing pretty nice. 1905 areas. Hmm. Perfect. That hour close nice. I think when it hits my TP, I'm gonna end the stream. Not feeling too fly right now. I ain't got corona. It's all good about that. But it's 70 pips away from it. And then I think I'm gonna go take a nap, rest up. You like this trade call? Give a like on the stream. I mean, pretty quick one, eh? Almost there. Damn, shit, I did lower. Oh. It was hard to predict that wick on the 15-minute right here. Could not have predicted that. So, how the 4-hour close? That was pretty nice too. How's this 4-hour looking? That's looking nice too. You know what? I think I'm gonna end the stream. Not feeling too fly. Throwbacks. Thanks for tuning in again. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Appreciate everyone tuning into our podcast every Sunday. I'll be on tomorrow morning. Honestly, I might be on later tonight too with the little gold analysis and update on this trade, perhaps. But we'll see. I'm going to save this. I'll put a blog post on it a little bit later. Other than that, I hope everybody has a great day. Stay safe.